where I'm sitting right now. You can see that I barely have any room. And yeah, that's it, I guess. So I just got through security at the Phoenix airport, which always makes me nervous for some reason. I just feel like TSA people are either like the nicest people you ever meet or just like the biggest jerks that have ever existed since the dawn of humankind. But I'm flying from here to New York, from here to Qatar, and then from Qatar I'm flying into Georgia. So I don't really know how long this trip's actually going to be. I can't really figure out the time changes and stuff, but I'm guessing like 24 hours. We'll see. So it's 7 o'clock here at the New York airport. I just spent 4 hours on my flight from Phoenix.
كقوارب يرجى تذكر خلع الأحذية قبل استخدام الزلاقات.
What's your name? So I just landed in Qatar and the time is 6:47 a.m. My next flight boards at 6:15 and flies out at 7:15. So I don't know if I'm gonna make that flight. I don't even know if my bicycle would make that flight since I have it checked, but we'll see. Yep, totally missed my flight here, so now we're gonna wait in line to get a hotel accommodation for a flight tomorrow evening. There we go. Oh my god. That's pretty nice. I feel so gross. 25 hours and 45 minutes of travel. And I thought my flight was for next evening. It's for this evening, so I'm gonna have to go back down to the lobby in just a few hours, but I got a free food voucher, gonna get some breakfast for the second time today. That's kind of weird. And take a shower. I wanna check out the shower. Oh my god. That's bougie. Another interesting quirk is instead of the Book of Mormon in your room, you get the Quran and a pad to pray on. That's pretty sweet, honestly. And the scale in the bathroom, that's something you're not gonna see in America. Talk about culture shock, jeez. Well, that was the least enjoyable shower I've had in a while. For some reason, only the hot knob worked on the shower, not the cold knob. So I had to just shower in blisteringly hot water, which I thought was kind of ironic because if I do find plumbing where I'm going, it's most likely not gonna be hot. So I guess I got my fair share of that. The flight here though, 13 hours from New York to Qatar here, but it was pretty dang bougie. I had 3 different meals, all of which are vegetarian. They come around with these little carts with the warm towelettes. They have unlimited booze. You just order whatever cocktail you want and they'll make it, which is kind of funny considering that the majority of the people on the plane don't drink alcohol. I also got this sweet swag bag from Qatar Airlines. It's got this cool falcon on it since they do falconry here. Let's see what it's got inside of it. Kind of shirt. Oh, hell yeah, socks. Sweet, and I don't have to wear those grody ass socks after taking a shower. A little sleepy thing. I'm actually gonna keep this for sure. Sometimes you want to sleep in when you're camping, and the sun won't allow it. Toothbrush. Damn, I wish I would have opened this earlier. I would love to have brushed my teeth back then. Earplugs. Nice. It's a good touch. And lip balm. So I'm walking around Doha here in the capital of Qatar, drinking some kind of energy drink. I don't even want to know what's inside of it. It's pretty hot and humid. It's kind of like a hot day in California. It's super salty too. And for some reason, nobody here wears sunglasses. I've seen one guy wearing sunglasses, and we're in the middle of the desert, so I don't know what's up with that. Just really wish I had my bike right now. It's been over a day since I've seen my bike. Alright, we're taking the shuttle back to the airport. Hopefully my flight goes through to Georgia. If not, I guess I'll just apply for Qatar citizenship.